Hi, good morning, everybody. We are on, I don't know, like day 15, 16, 17, somewhere in there. I don't even know. But basically, I've been putting together these short 10-minute introductory videos, little challenges for you to go through at your own pace to learn the moves that we do in my classes most commonly. And so that you learn the terminology, the form in kind of slow motion. And then we do usually practice whatever that is in that video to some music. So today, we're going to continue on with turbo kick, or cardio kickboxing format that I teach. And we're going to do some combos today. So we've been learning up until this point some individual moves, some punches and kicks and everything. And now we're going to put them together because we do put them together often. And that's what makes it so fun. So welcome to my virtual studio. This is where I teach my classes in the COVID times, and it's actually been really amazing. We have a really amazing setup and a really amazing sound experience for you, and a really amazing group of people. So if you have not joined our Facebook group, make sure you've done that. The group is linked somewhere above or below this video. Join my group for the fun fitness, links to our classes, all class updates, and to meet everybody that takes classes with me. And then join Lindsay's group. She's giving away a lot of free workout gear and hosting a bunch of fun challenges too. So all the things. This is my class, quote of the day. Yeah, are you feeling that? This is exactly how I feel. And hopefully it's not going to last through the 31st, you know? Holidays just kind of get me. Anyway, let's get into it today, you guys. So, workout screen. So my class has two views. It's really great, front view, side view. I'm going to show you 3 combos today. And then we're going to put these together to the music, to the actual pace of the music, which is fast. And we're going to practice it, and you're going to get it. And you're going to keep coming back, and you're going to keep practicing, because that's how you learn. So here are the combos. We've learned most of these moves already. There's just 2 that we have not talked about yet, but I think you're going to get them just fine. So, first one is speed bag. We have not talked about this one yet, but it's very, easy. You just imagine you've got that speed bag up there, and you're punching it, okay? And you're moving to the beat. You want to have a slight lean back. You don't want to punch yourself, okay? So, first combo is speed bag, and then we have a jab, cross, jab, cross. So, it's speed bag, jab, cross, speed bag. Whole body can bob there. Jab, cross, jab, cross. That's our first combo. You'll also hear me call these layers in class. Our first combo or our first layer. Our second combo, our second layer, is a triple jab. We've done this one. Triple jab, cross. We did that the other day. Triple jab, cross. Okay. Triple jab, cross. And then the second part of that combo is a ski. Ski is basically you're skiing your feet. Ski, ski, ski. Okay? So it's triple jab, cross, ski, ski, ski. Go ahead, have your arms up for fun. Triple jab, cross, ski, ski, ski. And on the ski, you can kind of move back. That's our second combo. Third combo is going to be our high-low. We did this the other day. High-lows. We're going to do 4 of them. And then we're going to pump it front. Dancey. 4 high-lows. Pump, 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 pump. So it's 4 high-lows, 4 pumps. You can make this fun. You can have your fists closed. You can have your palms open front. You can raise the roof if you want. Whatever you want there. Part of the cardio kickboxing that I teach has a dancey component. So feel free to jam out. All right, you guys, let's try this to some music. We turn up the music loud in my classes. I won't turn it up as loud as we normally do. But if you like loud music, then you have come to the right place. I suggest a really good pair of headphones. Going up. Okay, I'm going to turn it up for us today right about there. And then we're going to try those combos to the beat. It's going to feel weird if you've never done this before, and it's going to take some time to get it down, but you guys, I promise, if you just keep doing it and you keep practicing, you're going to get it. All right, do that speed bag. Ready? Speed bag to the right. Go. Speed. Now jab cross for 4. Speed it again. Jab cross. This is the pace. We're going to stay here for a long time, so you have time to get it. Yeah. Keep going. Speed bag. Jab cross. 4, 3, 2, speed bag. Jab cross. 2 more times. Jab cross. 1 more time. Okay. Here comes set, triple jab. Now ski it back. Again, it's 3, 2, 1 and cross, and then we ski. We're gonna be here for a while. Take your time to get this. My microphone is falling off. Keep going. Triple and ski. If you just want to step there, you can totally step. You don't have to jump. Jump is optional. Okay, let's try that high-low. Let's do 4. Now pump front for 4. Again, high-low, pump it. Once you get the beat, then you rock out. Woo! Stay here, 4 high-lows. Pump front. Again. Are you getting it? I know you are. Okay, we're going to start putting these together. Ready? Speed bag from the top. Go. Jab cross. Back to speed bag. Jab cross. Speed. Jabs. And speed. Okay, triple jab to the right. Go. Cross and ski. Triple again. Cross and ski. 2 more times. See how we're breaking it down? 1 more. Okay, back to the top, speed bag, go. Jab cross. Speed bag again. Jab cross. Triple jab to the right, go. Now ski. Triple jab. And ski. Speed bag. Jab cross. Triple jab. Now ski. Speed. Jab cross. Triple, ski back. Okay, let's add that high-low. Now pump it front. High-low again. Pump it. 2 more. Then we're putting it all together. It's gonna be fast. Ready? Speed back from the top. Go. Jab cross. Triple jab. Ski back. High-low, 4. Pump it. High-low. And pump. Jump rope, jump rope. Woo! Okay, we're gonna try that on the other side. We're gonna go fast. Fast from the start, okay? We're gonna do it normal like it is in a normal class. You ready? We're going to the left. Speed bag right here. Go, speed. Jab cross. Speed again. Jab cross. Speed. Jabs. 1 more speed. 1 more cross or jabs. Now triple jab. Go. Ski back. Same thing other side. 3, 2, cross and ski. 2 more times. Woo! Back to the top, speed bag. Jab cross. Go. Speed bag. Jab cross. Now triple. Here we go. Ski it back. Triple. And ski. Okay, high-low to the left. Now pump it front. Hey, it's this 3rd layer. You see how we build on it? We add on until we put them all together. Let's try it. From the top, speed bag, go. Jab cross. Now triple. Ski back. High-low 4, left. Pump it front. High-low. Pump it. Speed from the top, go. Jab cross. Triple. Cross and ski. High-low 4, left. Pump front. High-low. Pump front. From the top, speed, go. Jab cross. Triple. Ski it back. High-low. Pump front. High-low. Hey, let's do it one more time. Speed bag from the top, go. Jab cross. Triple. Ski it back. High-low. And pump it. High-low. And pump. Yeah, jump rope. Hey, you did it. Those are combos. That is exactly how we put together 3 combos. I'm just going to this down for you. Woo, I'm out of breath. Turbo's no joke. Cardio, core, upper body, lower body, it's full body. All right, so that's an example, you guys, a perfect example of how we layer together combos, multi-move combos. We pattern them up so that by the end of the song, we're doing all of them together, fast-paced, high energy, brain is working, body's working, You feel amazing after this. Okay, so you did it. Yay. So here's what you get when you come to my class. You get a sticker. Every day you come to my class, it's their sticker today, out of this world. Yes. And you guys, check out the rest of my channel for other, you can actually even find full turbo workouts on my channel. Some of them are older, so the quality is not as good because I was learning, but they're there. And actually, I'll put one up in the corner here that's actually a very good one, sound-wise. And it's a good one to practice to the regular beat of the music, it's fast-paced, it's turbo. But keep doing these challenges, practice them over and over, you guys. I promise, like I said before, if you keep coming back, you'll learn and you're gonna get it, no problem. So I think that's it. What am I forgetting? Again, check out the links above or below this for all the previous challenges. Make sure you're in the Facebook groups. Follow on these lovely platforms if you're on any of these yourself. I think that's it. All right, you guys have an amazing day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.